Hess.
It's Hess, no? Yeah. Or Graham, but I think
Hess.
Yeah, Hess. It's Hess for sure. It has to be one of those two. And it's probably Hess.
Hess.
Good shit, bro. Hey! You know. Okay, so it's Max, no? It's not.
Max.
It's
Sevi.
not. See, Sevi or Albert or Costa or Ruben. It's one of these four.
Sevi.
Alright, we go with Sevi. We'll go with Sevi. Yes. Alright. I didn't know that. I did not know that. Maybe Albert? Maybe Peter or Sevi, no?
Sevi, yeah.
It's Herb!
Herb.
Danny. Maybe Albert. It's Victor not. Victor loves chocolate.
No. Max or Albert?
I live with Max. I'm supposed to know this.
So Albert?
No, yes, Albert.
Albert.
Yeah, Albert.
Yeah. No, Sevi Platano, no? But
Yeah, I know this. It's Robert, I think. Yeah, I think I know it. I think it's Robert. Hey, you got two though. It's okay. 2 out of 5, that's not bad. Look, let's go out there.
let's go. So we Girona.
See, claro.